Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some Pokemon bottle charms, and today's video is a collab with PolymomoTea or Alex. So make sure to check out his video, I'll leave the link down below. And today I'm going to be using my Kanahei washi tape and stickers to make these charms, and you guys know I collect stationery, I hoard washi tape, and while I love to collect things just for the sake of collecting them and having full sets, I also do like to try to use them as much as I can. And lately I've been trying to find ways to kind of immortalize my stickers and not just have them, you know, in my sticker book, but to have them as actual pieces that I could use as decorations or charms and have them with me. Anyway, this Kanahei washi tape was perfect for this project because, as you can see, the Pokemon, you have the front and the back, and thankfully they were mirrored, is that the right word? So I could stick them together and have the perfect piece. So I am going to do the 3 starters today, and these were a pain to cut out, I will not lie, but I think they turned out okay. It was a little bit hard to align them, but again, it turned out okay. So I'm gonna use this bottle for the little starters. I'm gonna take some resin and some fake grass. I used this in my little light bulb charm video, and I only used a little dab of it then, and I'm not using that much of it now. So if you guys have any ideas for what I can make with this fake grass, let me know. Anyway, I'm mixing it in with the resin, and then I'm going to put it in the bottle, and this is going to be a little sideways charm because I figured it looked the best that way. It was a little bit of a struggle to get all the grass on the bottom here, but it turned out okay, I think. And then I took a Q-tip to clean up the overflow, the little mess that I made when I was filling it, and then I took my UV lamp and cured it. Now I could have stuck the little pieces, the little Pokemon in, but I decided to do it separately just so things wouldn't sink and move around. I am adding a little bit more UV resin so they do have something to stick to, and getting these guys in here was such a pain. I tried to put Squirtle in by himself first, but my tweezers weren't long enough and it wouldn't reach the bottom of the bottle, so I ended up sticking the 3 of them together and then putting them all in at once. Moving on to the next ones, I used a sticker sheet of Kanahei Pokemon stickers, and I kind of forgot to show it in the video, but if you have seen my haul over on Lorianne's Toy Box, you'll know what I'm talking about. If not, I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out. But anyway, for the first bottle, I'm going with a water theme, and I have some blue glittery resin here, adding another layer of clear resin so the sticker has something to stick to. And I didn't do anything to the sticker. I thought about putting it on white paper, I thought about doming it, but in the end I decided just to keep it simple and just stuck it in there. Now, I couldn't decide if I wanted to fill the bottle all the way to the top with resin or not, and I ended up not, just because I didn't want to waste too much resin, but I think it would have looked good either way. So for this one, I'm leaving it only full on the bottom. Working with the grass again, this is just foam dust and it bleeds a lot, so my fingers are a little green, but we won't talk about that. I am putting a really cute Pikachu and Eevee sticker in here. I did have to trim it a bit, but it worked out perfectly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this craft, and maybe we'll use some of your stickers and make little bottle charms. If you do, show me on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!